Hey, what's going on? It's Mr. Traham. I'm back at ya. Hey, this time we're gonna write numbers in different ways, right? And so in fourth grade, you got different ways you're gonna see a number, right? Of course, you got standard, you got written, but you also got expanded form, you got expanded notation. So fluency between these different ways of showing the number is very important. So I want to go over just a quick refresher of how to write numbers in different ways, right? So everyone pretty much knows the standard form, right? The standard is wrote in red. Standard means normal. This is the normal number, right? We have 127,634,908, all right? Now, a lot of times in written form, you will have this number, right? I want you to remember that in written form, it sounds just like you would pronounce it correctly the right way. You would say the entire number, then the period that it's in, then the next entire number, then the period that it's in, and you're going from left, which is the biggest place value spot, all the way to the right. All right. So if you look in word form here, this is 127,634,908. All right. Now, if I were to take these same versions and I were to make it expanded form, all that means is that I'm going to take each number that's not a zero and I'm going to separate the number by the value, right? So all of these numbers that are not zero have some value. So I need to take them, I need to expand the number, I need to stretch out the number, and I'm separating it by the value of each number starting from the end, right? So if I'm starting from the left, which is the biggest place value spot in that number, then I'm starting in the 100 millions place. So this is 100 million. All right, plus the value of the 2 is 20 million because the 2 is in the 10 million spot, and that's worth 20 million plus 20, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0. That's 20 million. Then the 7 is in the 1 millions place. So that's plus 7 million because 7 in the 1 millions place is worth 7 million. All right. Now, excuse me, I'm going a little crooked here, but I'm trying to keep going. The 6 is in the 100,000s place, so it's worth 600,000 plus 600,000. All right. The 3 is in the 10,000s place. How much is it worth? 30,000 plus 30,000. The 4 is in the thousands place. It's plus 4,000. The 9 is in the hundreds place. So it's plus 900. We're going to skip past the 0 in the tens place. It has no value. And the last number, the 8, is in the ones place. The value is worth 8. So expanded form is separating by value how much the actual number is worth in that spot. All right. We also start the beginnings of expanded notation. To notate means to put the number in parentheses, but break it down even more into number times the spot that it's in. So what I'm going to do one by one is take these values and I'm going to show them in expanded notation. So if I start with 100 million, notation means number times the spot. So the 1 will be times the 100 million spot that it's in. All right, that's 1 times 100 million. The second notation that I have is the 2. The 2 is in the 10 million spot. So it's plus 2 times 10 million. The 7 is in the million spot. So it's plus 7 times 1 million. Again, number times the spot notation. The 6 is in the hundred thousands place, so that is plus 6 times 100,000. The 3 is in the 10,000s place, so it's plus 3 times 10,000 plus the 4 is in the thousands place. That's parentheses 4 times 1,000 plus the 9 is in the hundreds place, plus 9 times 100. And lastly, I have plus 8 times 1 because the 8 is in the ones place. Again, I disregard that 0 in the tens place because it has no value. So expanded form and expanded notation does not recognize numbers with the zeros. They have no value. Expanded form separates literally by value, and expanded notation is number times the spot that is in. So it would be 0 times 10. It doesn't have any value there. So we leave it out of the notation. Again, this is Mr. Traham, a quick lesson on writing numbers in different way. Peace.